Keysight Technology, ticker KEYS, traded higher in pre-market on action on Wednesday after the electric test and measurement company reported second quarter results that topped Wall Street's expectations and raised its full-year outlook. The company reported second quarter earnings of $2.87 per share, beating the analyst consensus estimate of $2.32 per share. Revenue rose 31% year over year to $1.72 billion. That was slightly ahead of analyst estimates at $1.71 billion. Orders climbed 56% year over year to more than $2 billion, supported by strong growth in the company's big business communications solutions segment. Keysight generated record free cash flow of $472 million during the quarter. The company ended the period with more than $2.4 billion in cash and cash equivalents. Management said momentum in its AI-related businesses have already surpassed full year 2025 levels, driven by growing demand for data center scaling, optical interconnects, and AI system validation tools. Keysight continued to benefit from strong demand in wireline communications, supported by an increasing adoption of 800G and 1.6T architectures, along with early-stage development work tied to 3.2T technologies. The wireless business also posted solid demand, aided by growth in the non-terrestrial networks, 6G research initiatives, and satellite connectivity programs. In aerospace, defense, and government markets, growth was driven by a radar system, spectrum management solutions, and modernization programs, including the U.S. Air Force contracts for advanced flight line testing systems. The Electronic Industrial Solutions Group delivered a record quarter for both orders and revenue, supported by demand across semiconductor, automotive, energy, and broader electronics markets. Semiconductor-related demand remains strong, fueled by AI workloads, advanced node chip development, silicon photonics, and wafer-level testing applications. Automotive and energy orders increased for a third consecutive quarter, driven by software-defined vehicles, EV charging infrastructure, in-vehicle connectivity, cybersecurity, and over-the-air validation systems. Keysight expects third quarter earnings in a range of $2.43 to $2.49 per share. That's above the analyst estimate of $2.14 per share. The company forecasts third quarter revenue between $1.73 billion and $1.75 billion. That's compared to the analyst expectations of $1.64 billion. For fiscal 2026, Keysight raised its outlook and now expects revenue growth in the high 20% range, citing strong demand visibility and robust customer pipeline.